Alrighty guys, check my camera here. We are recording out here with the F-104 Starfighter. It is windy. I don't know if you can see my thing blowing. If you look over at that balloon over there in the distance, blowing pretty good, but loving the HRV 3300 6S pack now, so they're lighter. And yeah, so we'll see how this goes, man. I don't normally like to fly this jet in the wind because it's very touchy jet, but see how it goes, guys. We'll do a half flap takeoff. Okay, turn my gyros way down. Here we go, guys. Woo! Whoa! Flaps up. Not like the flaps taking off, man. That was hairy. Turn the gyro all the way off. Gyro all the way off. Whew. Low. It's gonna be a handful to land, I can tell you right now. With these winds, oh yeah. I'm gonna have to approach like from here. Got a much better climb rate with these 3300s, I'll give it that.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down.
Let's see how we do here.
Takeoff flap.
Just do a half flap. Come here, baby. Come here. Where are you going? Back around. Don't like that. Do not like that. Bring this approach in.
9, 8.
Okay, baby. Okay, here we go.
5.
Woo! What a handful of land. Kill those flaps. And this is like the F-16. You want to come to a full stop before you turn it.
1. Time expired.
Strong winds, though. This is not a jet for strong winds. I'm just kind of pushing my luck today, guys. But let me show you where I got. Let me show you where I got the HRV 3300 pack sitting in there. Right about there, I marked that green line right there to the front of the pack, so that gives it a nice CG. So yeah, guys, F-104 Starfighter. Let's taxi back, shall we? not an easy jet to fly or land. Not for the faint of heart, or not for the timid, and not for the inexperienced pilot. It's a handful for me, and I've been flying for a long time. But what a fun jet, though. You get to get out here on these really calm days, and it's awesome. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Deuces Wild Channel. We are signing.